Good morning. Weekend summary. Trade tensions between the U.S. and Canada escalated sharply. President Trump imposed 50% tariffs on approximately $20 billion of Canadian goods. Canada immediately announced dollar-for-dollar retaliatory tariffs, set to begin September 8th. This follows a collapse in trade negotiations. Geopolitical concerns persist. The Strait of Hormuz remains a flashpoint, with Iran authorizing some Iraqi tankers to transit, though overall shipping is restricted. Oman and Iran discussed resuming navigation talks. Israel warned Hamas of escalating Gaza strikes if drone and kite launches continue, and plans evacuations from launch zones. Ukraine reported hitting a Russian oil refinery and a military airbase. A U.S. Navy PAF. In corporate news, NVIDIA announced a $6 billion deal to license Poolside's AI technology, plus an additional $1 billion investment. Anthropic is reportedly in IPO talks targeting over $100 billion. Markets saw U.S. equities close higher. The Dow ETF gained 0.89%. The S&P 500 ETF rose 0.38%. And the Nasdaq 100 ETF was up 0.31%. The Russell 2000 ETF climbed 0.76%. The VIX fell 5.5%. In fixed income, the U.S. 10-year yield increased 0.89% to 4.74%, while long-duration treasuries fell 0.36%. The U.S. dollar index was up 0.04%. Commodities were broadly higher. Gold surged 2.39%. Silver gained 2.9%. WTI crude rose 0.26%, and Brent crude was up 0.65%. Copper gained 1.82%, and natural gas increased 1.85%. Looking ahead, watch for further developments in the U.S.-Canada trade dispute, especially with Canadian retaliatory tariffs set for September 8th. Geopolitical updates from the Middle East and Ukraine will also remain key. The desk should separate fresh catalysts from background commentary and wait for market confirmation before upgrading a theme. If the same story keeps crossing without a broader move, it remains context rather than a new trading signal. If rates, the dollar, commodities, and index futures begin to confirm the tape, the next brief should elevate that theme.